Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make Windows 11 look modern, clean and beautiful with a amazing Teal Glass customization. If you are tired of the default Windows design, this setup will completely transform your desktop with fresh element and premium look. In this tutorial, we will use Windhawk to customization the start menu, taskbar and other Windows elements. We will also install a beautiful custom theme, apply the stylish icon, a GIF file explorer, a modern glassy style design that perfect match the entire desktop. Before making any changes, I will show you how to create a system restore point, keep your PC safe. After that, we will install everything step by step, apply wall customization until your Windows 11 get a stunning new appearance. By the end of this video, your desktop will have a clean, modern and beautiful teal glass style that feels smooth, unique and refreshing. So let's get started and transform Windows 11 something truly amazing. Before we begin, let's create a restore point. Search create a restore point from start menu and open it. Select your C drive, click create, enter a name and save it. This gives you a safe backup, so you can easily restore Windows if anything goes wrong during customization. Now theme tool, cut it, paste it, C drive. Right click on it, run as administrator. Two boxes and install. Reboot your PC. Unzip theme folder. Now open it theme folder. Copy the theme file. This PC, C drive, Windows, resources, theme, and paste it here. Open again this PC. C drive, theme tool, run as administrator. OK. Ocean theme, apply. Now applied theme. Now install Windhawk. Make sure connect your internet. Finish. Theme file again open. Open the wallpaper folder. Choose your favorite wallpaper, right click on it and select set as desktop background. Your new wallpaper is applied, giving Windows 11 a fresh and modern look. Icon pack. Unzip. Copy. Document. Create new folder. Name icon pack. Paste it. Copy address bar. Now Windhawk open. Search resources redirect. Install it. Setting. Theme path. Paste it address. Save setting. Now install. Disable thumbnail preview. Run as administrator. Run. Icon pack is applied. Add blur effect. Release file, unzip here. Cut it release folder. Paste it inside your C drive. Open release folder, config. Delete config text. Paste it new config text. Now apply blur effect is perfectly. Open Windhawk again. Windows 11 Notification Center Installer install. Copy the script. Advance. Paste the script. Save it. Now install Windows 11 File Explorer style. Details. Install. Advance. Copy this script. Paste it here and save it. Install taskbar and icon size. Advance. Copy this script. Paste it here and save it. Windows 11 taskbar installer. Install. Copy this script. Paste it here and save it. Windows 11 statement installer. Install. Advanced. Copy this script. Paste it here. Save it. Now check RAM. Type Windhawk. Check details. That's it. Your Windows 11 now has a clean and modern Teal Glass look. If you enjoyed this customization, leave a like, subscribe for more Windows customization videos, and share it your favorite part in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.